Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to restore these two synthetic wigs. I've never restored a wig before, but I have the time, so I'm just gonna do it. Okay, anyways. Okay, so we're gonna start with detangling it. I'm gonna put where I got this canvas head and the things I use to detangle it in the description box. So let's get to it. Yo, okay, so I combed it all out, and so now I'm going to just wash it in the sink with some Castile soap, and I'm gonna fill it up with water, put a little soap in there, and I'm just going to push it in and drag my hands over it like this. I'm not going to disturb it. So I'm just gonna let you guys see the process, and then we'll see. So I finished washing it, and so now I'm gonna blow dry it and brush it out with this brush and with this brush, and focus on the ends to make them smooth. I'm gonna try to blow dry it on low heat first, and then see. High heat is not recommended for most blow dryers. I don't have a really nice blow dryer, so we'll just see. We're gonna make it work, but medium to low is recommended. As you can see, this is the wig after I blow dried it. It looks a lot better than what it was. So yeah. This is what it looks like on. I am going to cut this into a mullet, even though this is a bob.